much. Can't even feel my fingers. Oh shit. This is another one.
Thank you, mate.
That's also, have a nice one.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Isn't there a drink that's supposed to be?
This is all they gave me. Nothing else.
My gloves are really wet. Thinking of changing them. I've got a spare one.
Here's the order. You're there.
And the wings as well, is it?
That's all they gave me. Should be inside.
No, are you sure, bro?
Hello and welcome to my channel. This is London Wheels. You can find me on YouTube. Please do subscribe to the channel. We are gonna deliver food across London. That is what I do. I've been doing this for 5 years. What a night to start vlogging. It's gonna rain whole night. This is the first delivery of the night. We are going to Harlesden after picking up the stuff. This is our pickup. So we're here. It's some kind of drink, bubble drink or bubble tea. Thank you so much. Picked up our order and we'll be on our way. So yeah, now that we are on a quiet road, I can talk now. But I could talk before, but I don't know if I'd be audible on the busy streets. This is a cycling channel and I do deliveries across London. Today we are walking in West London.
Hiya.
Delivery.
Thank you. Oh dear, you're cold.
It's alright. We're used to it.
Thank you very much. Thank
Here's
you.
the order. Have a good night.
Good night,
Bye bye.
Back at McDonald's for another delivery. Hopefully the waiting time is not that long.
You can follow me on Instagram, london.wheels. There's a brand new channel. I'm trying this out. I am a filmmaker, so hopefully I can give you quality videos. So we'll be doing challenges every week. We'll be uploading once a week, every Thursday, and build a community. This is another one.
Thank you, mate.
That's also, have a nice one.
Thank you.
Cheers.
We are going to pick up some fish and chips. I have picked up the order. I can't feel my fingers at this point. My gloves are really wet. Thinking of changing them. I've got a spare one. It's a dicey situation. Let's take our chances. This happens every time it rains. The traffic goes crazy. That's why we ride a bike.
Here's the order, sir.
Thank you very much.
Have a good night. Cheers.
Isn't there a drink that's supposed to be?
This is all they gave me. Nothing else.
Okay.
So if you have anything missing, just
I'll
give
tell
them a
them,
call.
yeah.
Okay, cheers. Have a nice one. So we just got a 4th drop. It's a £6 drop. Not that much, but it's alright. I'll have to do something about the audio because the camera is on top of my helmet. And I don't know if I'm properly audible or not, especially with all this background noise. So when I first came to London, this is the place where I used to work mostly. This place was scary when I first started walking here 5 years ago in London. But it looks pretty good now. I'm pleasantly surprised. We reached our shop. Generally when it's raining it's not that cold, so it's bearable when it's raining. When it's not raining it's really cold, but it makes for good content. So as long as you guys are happy, I'm happy to come out even when it's snowing. Here's your order. Good bit.
And the wings as well, is it?
That's all they gave me. Should be inside.
Okay. No, are you sure, bro?
Yeah, there's nothing inside. Looks like another chicken shop. Or a pizza. I don't know. I'm not familiar with the area, that's why I have to switch on Google Maps. I think we've made a wrong turn. Back on the road.
Red lights. So we'll take the pavement. Now we can join back on the road. He didn't seem that happy. This is the best part of being on bike. Just don't run into an accident.
Can't even feel my fingers. Oh shit. What a night to be shooting my first vlog. I'm already drenched, as you can see, and I'm freezing. This was my first vlog, and I'd be uploading weekly every Thursday, coming up with challenges. My camera died, that's why I can shoot half of the deliveries properly. This was kind of a demo for you guys to understand what it is like or what I'm trying to do with this vlog. It is almost 12 o'clock at night, so it's winter, it's gonna get colder and the weather is going to get really bad. When you guys like and subscribe, it does motivate me to do better videos, work in this weather. I'll probably be going home and taking a hot shower. I really need it today.